Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why the same face again, yes, you're quite observant. मैंने अपने लास्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो में ये लुक फिल्म किया था, आपके साथ शेयर किया था using some of my favorite products. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure that you do. I'll just link the video in the description box ताकि you just click it and it's easy for you to see. Anyways, तो लास्ट वीडियो में ना मैंने सारी बेस प्रोडक्ट्स और उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करी, बट आई लेफ्ट आउट लिपस्टिक्स बिकॉज आई एम अ लिपस्टिक लवर, आई एम अ लिपस्टिक होल्डर, नॉट अ होल्डर, a collector. A holder does not sound nice. And I love lipsticks. अगर मैं कोई भी मेकअप नहीं कर रही हूँ या कॉलेज में मैं जब जाती हूँ, this is not what I do, but I definitely make sure to wear a lipstick. So in this video, we're going to talk about some of my most loved and most worn lipsticks that I've started loving recently, और या फिर पुराने टाइम से भी मैं काफ़ी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड ये काफ़ी यूनिवर्सली फ्लैटरिंग शेड्स है, फ्रॉम फेयर टू मीडियम डीप डस्की स्किन टोन, सब पे अच्छे लगेंगे. बट ये कलर्स हल्के से डार्क है, डीप ग्रंजी, थोड़े से विंटर मंथ्स के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट. अगर आप इसको पहन के बाहर निकलोगे ना, फॉर श्योर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलेंगे एंड पीपल विल बी आस्किंग व्हाट लिप शेड आर यू वेयरिंग. If you want to know what lipsticks I'm talking about, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and do leave a comment. Let's go. First product that we're going to talk about is Right on My Lips. It's not actually a lipstick but a lip gloss, and इस सीज़न लिप ग्लॉसेस काफ़ी ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं. दिस इज़ बाय NY Bay. इट्स दी ग्लॉस गेटर लिप ग्लॉस. इट्स इन दी शेड कैरेमल कैशू एंड ये कुछ इस तरीके से लगता है मेरे लिप्स पे. इट्स अ पिंकिश एंड ब्राउनिश कलर का लिप ग्लॉस. ये हैंड स्वॉच में ऐसा लगता है. विथ मेकअप एंड विदाउट मेकअप इट्स ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू लुक डिफरेंट, but that is how it looks. It's very comfortable. You can wear a lipstick underneath and फिर इसके ऊपर टॉप कर सकते हो. This is the next lip shade. This is Mars Lip Crayon in the shade Girl Power, and this is the hand swatch. It's a very comfortable formula guys, and it looks so pretty. ये brown है but it has those warm tones as well. It's very comfortable. It's matte. Let's see if it's actually kiss proof and transfer proof. There is a bit of transfer, but I feel like अगर आप इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए रहने दोगे ना, तो it settles and it looks so pretty. So that's the next lipstick. It's by Mars again, but it's the bullet lipstick and it's in the shade Chestnut Courage. This is the hand swatch of Chestnut Courage. ये था Girl Power Crayon और ये है bullet lipstick in the shade Chestnut Courage. You can see ये straight up brown है but इसमें red के hints है and it looks so pretty. ये भी सारे skin tones पे जाएगा and this formula is transfer proof. तो आप if you're having something, you're eating, drinking, ये उतना transfer नहीं करेगा, इतने जल्दी remove नहीं होगा. The formula is matte but it's pretty decent and pretty comfortable on the lips. I told you these lipsticks were long lasting. ये vibe से नहीं निकल रही है, so I'm going to use some micellar water to get rid of this and I'm going to neutralize my lips so बाकी के swatches आपको as genuine as possible दिख सके. I'll be right back. नेक्स्ट लिपस्टिक का नाम ही मुझे इतना पसंद है. आई एम अ बिग टाइम लवर ऑफ सेक्स एंड द सिटी एंड दिस लिपस्टिक इज कॉल्ड मिरांडा's फर्स्ट किस. It's again by NY Bay and it's a liquid lipstick. It's a very bright red shade. I'm going to swatch it right here. This is Miranda's First Kiss. This is how Miranda's First Kiss looks on me. It's a very bright out there red lipstick but I love it. It's perfect for this season because Christmas भी आ रहा है. It's a very beautiful shade. इसको सेट होने में हल्का सा टाइम लगता है but after that it is budge proof. ये नहीं मूव करेगी and it's going to be comfortable. It can be slightly drying for certain lips but for me it's fine. It is not that long lasting honestly, but you can always reapply. It is here on my hand and here on my lips. It's a very Parisian girl red lipstick and I absolutely love it. Last but definitely not the least and one of my most favorite and most worn colors is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. It's in the shade Wine and Dine, I think. It's a very deep grungy shade and it's not everybody's cup of tea but I really love it. It's very close to MAC Carney, whereas ये almost black लगती है but it's not black. Here is the hand swatch. It's very deep maroon, purple hints भी है इसमें. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है. मैं बात नहीं करती, पहले अप्लाई करती हूँ and then I'll show you. This is how Lakme's Wine and Dine looks on me. I'm obsessed with the color and the vibe. It is so pretty. The formula is not my favorite because थोड़ी देर बाद lips के center में से powdery सा होने लगता है if you eat something oily या like even if you have like a juice or something वो निकलना शुरू हो जाता है, which is not something that I like because it's an expensive lipstick. 800 या 700 रुपए की आती है. इससे cheaper lipsticks perform better, but I'm willing to overlook everything because of the shade. It's so pretty. This is how it looks on my hand and on my lips. Just please excuse everything like around my mouth, सारा redness because swatches निकालने में ना जान चली गई मेरे lips की. That's it for today's video. It was a short and a sweet video, but I hope you liked it and you must have found it useful. I know मेरे lips के corners से मैंने ढंग से नहीं लगाई है, but I got glasses and I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't really see. And सिर्फ makeup tutorials film करने के लिए lenses निकालो लगाओ is just too much for me, so I'm filming it almost blind. I'm kidding guys, I'm not blind, I see it, but just एकदम ऐसे minute और माइनर थिंग्स और ऐसे एकदम प्रिसीजन में मुझे नहीं दिख पाता है. सो आई नो कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मिसिंग है. Yeah, I need to stop posing in front of the camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, do comment which is your favorite shade, and of course you can share it with your friends and family if you think it'll be useful to them as well. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to see you the next time. Bye.